What up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of the Pastry Bear Podcast. I'm your host, Winston Murdoch, and I'm so excited today because guess what, guys? I have a female on my podcast. Whoa! You have all males, and now you have a female? Her name is Jhanelle Mair. How you doing?
I'm good.
I think I messed your name up there, right?
You did.
I did, right?
Jhanelle Mair. Practiced before we got
right?
here.
It's kind of difficult. The last name is.
We practiced, but here we are.
Listen, man. Just give me that break. Okay, let me try again. Jhanelle Mair.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. See, all I needed was just a little bit more effort. But your name is. That's the first I've heard that name.
The Mair.
Yeah. That's pretty.
It's not a very popular name. It's not a popular name, but I know a few people with that name.
I've never heard that before. That honestly doesn't sound like a Jamaican name. You know, a Jamaican name would be like a Smith.
Yeah.
You know, a
Someone
Campbell.
says that it sounds Indian, but I don't know.
Yeah, you kind of sound Indian for real. Maybe you're Indian.
Do I look it?
Oh my gosh! So how you doing?
I'm good. I'm so good. How are you?
Wonderful. I'm doing wonderful. Today is gonna be a good day. You know, I like to manifest my days. You know what I mean? And I really appreciate you coming on. I tell all of my guests this. I appreciate you taking the time to sit down with me and so we can have this beautiful, beautiful conversation we're about to have. So let's just get into it. Where are you from, actually? Where were you born?
So I'm from Westmoreland. I lived in South for a majority of my life. I went to high school at the Manning School. And if there are any blue bloods out there, then you know that it's the Manning School. Like we don't play. You understand? It's not Manning's high school. It's Manning School. The Manning School. Right. So yeah, I went to Manning's. I did literature. I did English. I did a lot of the reading and history and geography because that was what I loved at the time. And loved reading, analyzing poems and stuff like that. I went to sixth form, then I moved on to UTech, where I did culinary arts and production management. And I graduated in 2016, and I've been working. I started working when I was in college because, I have to eat. I'm hungry.
Wow, so you
have to be paid.
So hold on. Let me backtrack a little bit. So you're from Westmoreland. I think I've been to Westmoreland one time.
Nigga?
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
You know what?
Where else in Westmoreland are you going to be? A whole parish, but just nigga.
It's crazy that people. There's so many. Like I was born in Portland, right? And there's still a lot of places that
Portland is so gorgeous.
Don't even say it, man.
Anybody who born a Portland win.
First of all, you got to say the Portland, okay? Because you know.
Okay, the Portland.
It is like the most beautiful place you could ever go to. Everything.
It's so relaxing. I went there one time for vacation and I didn't even feel like I was in Jamaica anymore. I just felt so cool.
Yeah.
So calm. Everything was just gorgeous, Mr. Yo. The place was just there, so it was so good.
I'm telling you, most people don't even know that. A lot of the elite have like personal homes over there. They have their vacation home.
Yeah, I realize there's a lot of money there, but it's very subtle.
Yeah, it's
not in your face like Mobile.
No.
Or Kingston. Yeah,
because there's so many like entertainers, like celebrities from overseas that whenever they're in Jamaica, there's two places that they go: St. Mary and Portland. You know what I mean? And then if they want to like be a tourist, they will go to Montego Bay or Ocho Rios. But like when they want to get away, that's where they go, and there's a lot of villas over there that are super expensive that they cater to that type of clientele, like there's one called Trident. There's one called G-Jam.
Trident is very popular. G-Jam too.
Yeah. And the Blue Lagoon used to be popular. I think they're remodeling it now. They have a lot of villas on that stretch. I don't know if you know where the Blue Lagoon is.
I've been there so nice.
It's beautiful, man.
I don't like the water is a little like a soft. It's nice.
Can you swim?
Nice. Let's just leave it there. I can't. I can float. I can float.
What is that?
Float.
What is that? You said you can float.
But to swim to save my life? No.
Wow. No. So you one of them people who gonna go to the beach with a just gonna sit on the sand, or if you're going in the water, you're gonna be right at the
No,
edge?
I'm pretty tall enough so I can go out. But once I'm tipping, it's over. It's over for me. I have to come back.
Really?
I have to go back to the shore. Yeah. I try to enjoy it as much as I can when I go, but I can't swim. I can't.
No, you have to learn to swim. That's not good.
I have to learn.
Whenever you travel
true.
overseas and people ask you, "Oh, you're from Jamaica," and then you tell them you can't swim, it just don't add up. You know what I mean? Because they're gonna be like, they're gonna be like, "Oh, but you're surrounded by the ocean. How comes you can't swim?"
Yeah, but then I have to explain it's not one strip of land, right? And we just walk from one end to the next, and then it's beachy fish. Like there's a lot of land mass in between, and I've lived on the land masses. I don't live on the beach. But yeah, I do need to learn how to swim. I will learn eventually. I can do a little. And by a little, like
okay.
But save my life? No, I'm drowning.
Okay, I can understand that. So you said you were born in Westmoreland. What was life like in Westmoreland?
I mean, Westmoreland is a pretty easygoing place. I mean, everything down there is slow. Living in Kingston for a while and then moving back there and just seeing how easy life is and how everyone is just pretty relaxed and, the whole, they're like set things to do. So you go by QQs to play pool, or you go to Negril for dinner, or you go to Negril for like the beach, or, it's pretty simple. I feel like when my life here becomes a little overwhelming, or when I feel as if I just need to be with family and just regroup and recenter, I go back to Westmoreland because it's just so easy there. It's just easy living.
So comparing to Kingston is pretty fast paced.
Yeah, man, Kingston is fast paced. Kingston is just like go. And I think when you live there for a little while, you don't realize just the coming and going of the city, but even in just like sitting on a bus and watching people get on and get off and just think how Kingstonians operate is different. It has an energy, it has a buzz. I remember when I came up, the first time coming to Kingston, it was to drop my sister off at UTEC. We both went to UTEC. And I remember just being so amazed by how vibrant it was, how fast-paced it was, and I loved it. And I knew right away that I wanted to live in Kingston or a city like Kingston. So as soon as I got the chance to come up here and not go back to South for like Christmas or summer or whatever, I just never went back, and I've been here ever since.
Right.
Yeah, nice.
I remember when I moved from Portland and I moved to Ocho Rios. It was like, I remember not the first day, but I remember one day I was in Ocho Rios, standing at the bus stop and just looking at the people. It's like ants, and everybody just on a routine. You know what I mean? And it's like, a person comes, they stand there for like 2 minutes, a taxi comes and they just fill it. In space of 2 seconds, the taxi is full. Yeah. And I'm from Portland, where most of the times I'm walking. You know what I mean? Because everything is so laid back. And then when I'm seeing this lifestyle, I thought to myself, like, can I do this for the rest of my life? You know what I mean? Because I like to be by myself. I like to be with nature. You know what I mean? So when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is different. Everybody's always moving. And it's even worse when you move to the United States. It's like, it's 10 times worse.
Yeah, but I love it.
Everybody.
I love it.
You love the city life. So you're a city girl.
I love it. Partly I am. Yeah, I love it. I like the energy. I like, things moving, things going at a fast pace. I'm not a patient person.
Right.
You understand? I have no patience at all. Like, we just don't have it in me. Okay? So I like when, we're moving. I like when things are moving. I like things to always be happening. I like to always have the option of going here, going there. Putting on my clothes at 10 o'clock when life did a keep, and just go where I want to go and come back when I want to come back, and having the accessibility to just amenities, things to do, variety.
Right.
So I just can't give up the city life, man.
I understand.
Can't give it up.
Pastry Bear TV.